how to add Google Ads leads to Zenler Funnel automatically. So Zenler is an amazing course creation platform, and assume that I'm running ad on Google for selling my course, and for which I have also created a Google lead form. Now whenever a new lead will arrive, I will show you how to automatically add that lead to Zenler Funnel without doing anything manually. Want to learn how you can also automate this process? Come with me and I will show you everything step by step. Alright, so this is my Google Ads account where I am creating a campaign in which I am also adding a Google lead form. So this is my form, that is marketing course, where I am collecting the basic details like the first name, last name, email, phone number, and which program are you interested in. Alright, and whenever a new lead will arrive, I will show you how to add that lead to marketing funnel of Zenler, that too automatically. But to automate this whole process, firstly, I will have to build a connection, build an integration in this Google lead form and in this Zenler application, which I will do with the help of Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so that is why I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow, to your automation. Okay, so I am providing the name. Basically I have directly pasted the name as add Google Ads lead to Zenler Funnel automatically. Now I will select the folder in which I want to create my automation workflow. So I am selecting this main workflows folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are actually called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever a new lead is arrived via Google lead form, then automatically collect that lead, automatically add that lead in Zenler Funnel. Okay, so that is why I will be selecting the same application as an action application. Okay, and in this way I am going to automate this lead generation process, this lead management process. Alright, so now I will be connecting these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, so let us first connect to Google lead form with the Pabbly Connect, and firstly I will capture the lead data here inside the dashboard. Okay, so selecting the trigger event, that is new lead. You can also read the instructions, triggers when a new lead is created. So yes, I want to perform the same, and here you can notice a webhook URL and few set of instructions. Okay, so in order to capture the lead here, or we can say in order to build a connection in this Google lead form and Pabbly Connect, we will use this webhook URL. So simply copy this webhook URL and then go back to your Google Ads account where you were creating your Google lead form, and now you will have to scroll down a little bit and you will find the option of this lead delivery option. Okay, read the instructions also, that download collected leads in add extensions table. Okay, you can only download leads that have been collected within the last 30 days. Okay, so because we are building this connection with the help of webhook, so that is why the lead data will be real time. Yes, our lead will be added to Zenler in real time. Okay, so what will happen, basically it is going to send that new lead data to the webhook URL which we will provide here. Okay, so I am going to copy the webhook URL provided via Pabbly Connect. Okay, let me paste the same, and then it will ask you to provide a key. Okay, so read the instructions that the webhook key is a code sent with your data which verifies it came from Google. Okay, so I will be providing a random code, something like 1 2 3 4. Okay, now because I am not running any live ads on Google, so I will be using this send test data only. Yes, I'm not going to generate a real lead. I will generate the test data only by clicking on this send test data button, and you will see a response will be received here immediately for for which it is already waiting. Okay, so let me even show you the same. I have clicked on that button, and here you will see that test data sent. You can also check that which particular data has been sent. Okay, so as the first name, this particular value has been sent. This is just a testing first name value. As the last name, this particular value has been sent. As the phone number, this particular phone number has been sent, and this was the email address, and we have all the details. Okay, so coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and here you can notice the responses received already. Let me even show you the details one by one. Okay, so here you can find the very same email address. Here we also have this drop down value. Basically, I have also added a question in my form that which program are you interested in, and then I have also provided two choices that whether they want to go with marketing course or with the ad course. Okay, let me even show you the same. Here you can notice ads marketing or social media marketing. Okay, so we have received this particular response. Okay, this is the same phone number, and let me show you other details. All right, so here we have the value as the first name, and the last name is also here. Okay, so the presence of this data clearly shows that the connection in between Google Lead Form and Pabbly Connect is working absolutely fine. Okay, so now onwards what will happen, every time some real user will submit this Google Lead Form, that lead data will be captured via Pabbly Connect instantly, because this trigger will instantly capture new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. Okay, so in this way the first step of our automation is done. Now moving further, I will show you how to automatically add the very same lead data to Zenler Funnel automatically. Okay, so the application is already selected here. Now I will be selecting the action event, that is subscribe to funnel. Let me search for the same, because yes, I want to perform the same. So I have selected the same, clicking on connect, clicking on add new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the API key and the school or the account name. Okay, so go back to your Zenler account, click on this profile picture, then click on the settings option, and then you will have to scroll down, and at last you will find the option of API key under this developer section, and in this way you can reach out to the API key section. Let me copy and paste the same here. Further, it is asking for the school or the account name, which you can actually get from this URL, and every instruction is already mentioned here. Okay, let me paste the same, clicking on save, and in this way my Zenler account will be also connected with Pabbly Connect. And because we are connected, here you can notice whatever the funnels are already available in my Zenler account have started visible here. Okay, let me even show you the same, clicking on this marketing funnel section, where you will find three funnels, that is contact form, connect funnel, and this test funnel. Okay, let me show you all three funnels here also. Now I am interested in adding the lead to this connect funnel, so I have selected the same, and now it is asking for the first name, last name, and email. Okay, so now from where I'm going to provide the details, remember we have already captured the lead data as a response of our trigger step, as a response of our first step. Okay, and again I'm not going to manually copy this lead data again and again and paste below again and again. I'm going to map these details. Mapping is very simple. Click on this field and you will find the above data here in the drop down. Let me search for the first name, and here we have the first name value. Okay, so you must be thinking, what is the importance of mapping? Okay, so whatever the details we will map here, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Okay, but if I will provide any detail manually here, that detail will remain same with every new lead data. Yes, in our case our funnel will be same because we have selected it manually, and if I will provide any email address manually here, what will happen, every new lead will be created with the same email address. Well, of course it is not possible to create with the same email address multiple person, multiple leads. So what will happen, the error will arrive. Okay, so for now I am removing that data, and let me also map the email address, searching for the same with the help of @ all right, it is done. So I think I have provided all the details. Coming back to my Zenler account, and first of all we will check how many leads we already have in our Connect funnel. So there are 24 leads available. Coming back to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, clicking on this button, save and send test request, waiting for the response to receive, which is saying success. Going back to my Zenler account, let me first refresh it and check whether the number is getting increased from 24 to 25 or not. And here you can notice 25 leads are showing. Let me directly take you to the lead section and check whether the same person, the same dummy lead has been created or not. And did you notice the same first name, the same last name, and the same email address? Basically, using the same information, a lead has been created in our marketing funnel of Zenler directly from our Google Ads account. So you can also automate this process with the help of Pabbly Connect. You just need to create this automation workflow inside Pabbly Connect once. After that, you can sit back and relax because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You do not have to do anything manually. Basically, what will happen here, every time a new lead will arrive via Google lead form, the same person will be added to our Zenler funnel automatically. And just in case if you want to access this two-step workflow inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. So simply click on this link and then sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.